What's up, everybody? Ron Holmes. We're all familiar with the term EDC for everyday carry. I'm going to talk to you guys about something that we do in our house, which is called EDV, Everyday Vehicle Prep. We started testing different types of seatbelt cutters and glass break devices about a year ago, right before my son turned 5. And we had some seatbelt webbing and we strapped him to the chair. We wanted to see which one was the easiest for him to be able to remove himself in the event of a car accident. And the brand that we settled with, which is in all of our vehicles now, in all of our family's vehicles, is the RESQME seatbelt cutter. The RESQME seatbelt cutter comes, as you see right here, it has your little clip so you can stow it on whatever device you want. We're going to get into that. It comes with your little key ring so you can connect it to something. You can remove it. It has the razor blade for the cutting of the seatbelt webbing. You have your glass break with the firing pin that compresses under the spring tension. And then you have the steel ball bearing at the end that you can use to continue to crush the glass and get it out of your way. It also comes with a zip tie to help you secure it with this key ring, but we've made some modifications to that. And we've actually gone ahead and used this little Velcro strap that we wrap around our seatbelt. So a lot of the videos out there showing you the demonstration videos on how to use it and how to retrieve it show the operator reaching into the glove box to retrieve it, reaching into the center console and retrieve it. And that's awesome if you're upright. What happens if you're injured? What happens if you're in a catastrophic car accident where you're on your side, you're inverted, or even worse, in the water? What if my right arm is injured and I can't get to that glove box? I can't reach it. I obviously can't undo my seatbelt and I can't get it. So I didn't set myself up for success. So we would say good initiative, poor judgment. I had it in there, but it's not accessible. Now, if I'm the only one in the car that knows it's there and I have littles in the back that can't also get out to get it, we're not doing ourselves any favors. So what we've done in our house is we've taken this Velcro strap and we placed it on the lap belt portion of our seatbelt. Now, we like the bright color ones. I want this to stand out. I want to see it when I get in the car. I want to be able to adjust it. I don't want it to blend in. I want it to stand out. It is a safety device. It's a life-saving piece of equipment. You get it centered up with that Velcro strap, run it through your key ring, in line with your belly button. You can access this thing from your left or right hand, retrieve it. Now, when you're cutting your seatbelt, start with the shoulder belt and don't cut straight across, cut up at an angle. Once you've done that, if the seatbelt hasn't completely relaxed, you, again, don't cut straight up, cut at an angle, and it'll work flawlessly. If you're using the glass break part, just push it into the corner, push it till the glass breaks, and then you can use the steel ball bearing to sit there and just help you rake that glass out of the way. The RESQME brand is American made. It is a multi-use, so you can get some seatbelt webbing and tie your whole family to a chair, a bar stool, or wrap it into the car seat and have them retrieve it off the belt and use the seatbelt webbing, which you can order online, to practice. These are a multi-use tool. You can use them multiple times. It's a great, inexpensive device that you can make an investment in your family safety and security in the event of a catastrophic car accident. You want to think about injuries on this. You want to think about incapacitation. You want to have a family of assets. My son is 6. He can easily cut himself out of the seatbelt, reach forward and cut the other seatbelts and start helping us move to safety. This is what you want to do. You want to make the investment in your family. You want to get everybody on the same page of staying in the fight and that high level of preparedness and forward thinking. So the RESQME, can't recommend it enough. It's like a fire extinguisher. You got fire extinguishers in your house and you hope you never have to use them. It's the same thing with this. I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. Train safe, train smart, train with a purpose. Be the difference, be a good human. Stay tuned.